Hi everyone. I'd just like to send a shout out to Yana the Toy. I just did the phase 1 and 2 of Sally Experience program, and it really was life changing for me. It put a lot of stuff in perspective, and the stuff that Yana teaches you it makes you think. It actually makes you sit down and think and help you plan everything forward. I really look forward to going into phase 3. I think this course is a must do for everyone who would like to start a side hustle or start their own business. Yana helped me to see that the future I thought was just it'll be fun to someday start something like that was more of a calling and not just something I can say I can know, but it's a dream. I'm really going to work hard into making my dream a reality, and I hope everyone that does the course gets this much passion and feeling and that I got. I mean, it was really wow. Working with Yana is so worth it. Thank you, Yana, and thanks to everyone I did the course with. It really opened up my eyes to a lot of things.